Alright guys, Grease Asian, what's up? We got a few projects we're working on all at once, and we're going to try to wrap up 2 of them today. I want to finish up 100%, finish up the wickerbill, and then finish up the diffuser extensions also. We're going to start with those. Alright, let's get to work. Alright guys, my brackets to finish the extensions for my diffuser extensions came in today that I needed. So I just need to get these painted. And so I can install them. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, I'm going to let these dry. I'll put them on when they're dry. See you then. Okay. I'm going to get these out of here. Here's those brackets I ordered and painted. Okay, and they're gonna go just like that, right there, centered. Boom. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go guys. We finished something and it turned out awesome. Let's get a shot for you. There you go. Boom. Look at that. I don't know, what do you think? Freaking love it. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, let's move on to this wickerbill. We need to be able to open this trunk. So we're gonna have to clip this edge here. And then over the past few days that it's been raining, these brand new freaking bolts are already rusting. So I'm gonna take all those out as well, since we're gonna have it off. Scrub them down and paint them so they don't do that, because that looks horrible. Alright, that's what we're doing next. Let's get on it. And I've just been playing around with some tape and seeing where it's touching, trying to see where we need to cut so we can open this trunk. It's physically touching like right here. I can see it, it's touching. And I'm even trying to open the trunk, it's closed. So I need to cut around that. But I still want a little bit over the edge to stick out. As long as we get rid of this corner, and then I can round this off and that off, so it looks okay. I think that'll be okay. That'll look okay. And then we'll be able to open the trunk still. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these. Start getting these bolts out. Okay, we got them taped together. I'm gonna make a little cut. This corner cut out, so we can get this trunk being usable. Ow! I don't die. Got that cut out. Now we got the corner cut out. Nice thing to clean it up and paint the edges. Alright, that's good enough for me. Let's go put a couple bolts in them on the car and see if the trunk opens before we paint them. That would be smart. Can you believe I thought of something, doing something that would be smart? I can't. Let's see what we got. Looks like we're gonna be okay. Let me go get my keys. Alright, here we go, guys. First try. Okay. Oh, what? No. That part hits now. This inside part right here rubs on this. This one too. Okay. Well, at least I know that's the part that hits. I can just sand that down just a little bit more and then paint it, and we'll be good. Alright, I'm gonna get these back off of here. You know what? Actually, if I move all this stuff for a minute, it's not going to open even once. Dang. Okay. Okay. There we go. I was thinking I could shave these while they're on the car and then test it every time so I don't go too far. little bit more. That one's good. Just a little bit more right there. I think we got it. Boom. Daylight all the way through. Okay. There we go. And it's still got the extensions. Let's get these off for the last time. Okay, I'm going to tape my needle nose. That way I don't mar the threads. While I clean them and paint them. Okay, give those a minute to dry or so, and then we'll shoot a couple coats of black. Let those dry, do one more coat. Alright, we're going to let those dry. Okay guys. Let's get this wickerbill on. One last time, hopefully. Okay, there we go. It's on. That's awesome. Well, we got 2 projects done today. As there we go, we got 2 projects 100% finished today. So that's awesome. But we are running out of daylight. It's getting late and the sun is going down, so we are done for the day, and we will. All right, peace.